Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Kaggle Kingdom. This is Jacob. Today's topic is LTX video. They recently released the latest 0.9.1 version. So in this tutorial, we're going to show you how to set it up on Kaggle for free. And I'm going to show you the best way to set it up with low RAM consumption. So that being said, let's get started. So if you can see on the screen, so this is the pipeline we're going to set up today. And we're gonna use it, use the GGUF, and also we're gonna use the text encoder, and we're gonna use the VAE. So this is all we're gonna use to build this pipeline. And you can see that we also have a video size of 768 and 512, which has a length of 121. And you can see the frame is set to 24, so it's a 5-second video. You can set it longer or shorter, depends on how you want to make the video. But I think Kaggle with 16 gigs of VRAM is good enough to run the pipeline end to end with good quality, as you can see on the screen. So that being said, let's go to the Kaggle notebook. So let's create a notebook called ComfyUI LTX Video GGUF. So because this pipeline is based on the GGUF model, not the official safe tensors, so which is an awesome way to build a ComfyUI LTX pipeline. So first we create first we just need to switch the folder from the default working folder to the Kaggle temp folder, so which will up to be 70 gigs of storage space. Then you have to install the PyTorch, Torch Vision, Torch Audio with the nightly build CUDA 12.4, and after that, make sure you install ComfyUI from the official repo, and go to cd to the ComfyUI folder to pip install folder dependencies. And after that, you can check all the folders if they all exist, and then you have to install the GGUF. To install GGUF, you can go to the huggingface.com and go to this repo, the calcuis. I'm not sure how to exactly pronounce it, but it's calcuis. And they released a LTXV GGUF version. So then they have a lot of the options you can choose from. There's 2-bit, 4-bit, there's 8-bit. So with the latest 0.9.1 release, so you can choose the 4-bit, which is the one that we're demoing in this video. Kaggle, I think you can also choose the 8-bit also. But it depends on how you want to generate it, what quality you require. But that being said, let's go back to the Kaggle notebook after you download the GGUF and put it into the UNet folder, and then we need to download the clip. You can download the clip using the Flux text encoders and use the TF XSL 8-bit safe tensor and put it into a clip folder. And after that, you can download the VAE. So just get the VAE from the same team, which is the calculus team, and from the LTXV GGUF folder, and get the LTX video VAE. Maybe you can switch the VAE to other VAE, but this is the one that we're gonna demo today. So then put this VAE to the VAE folder of the ComfyUI. That's all you need to do. And after that, install the custom nodes. So you have to install the ComfyUI GGUF. Then you have to install the ComfyUI LTX video. Then you install the ComfyUI manager, and go to the workflow, which you can download also from this team, the calculus team, and you can download from the LTXV GGUF folder, and go to the workflow LTXV GGUF. So you can download from this link. After that, just install ngrok. And also make sure that you create a function to run bash command within Python, and then paste your ngrok token in here, and also point your ComfyUI port 8188. So make sure you public URL, which right now is 54C9, point to this local port 8188. So that's it. So then you go to ComfyUI folder, just run a Python made.py. So you can see it's running on 818080. So your public URL is pointing to this local port. You can see this is a public URL that we're running right now. So That's all you need to do. And after you set everything up, just click this URL that you spin up from the ngrok. You will see this screen, and make sure you upload the workflow. Go to workflow, open the workflow. So you'll see the workflow similar to this one, but we did make a little change. So first change we'll make is to also install the video helper. So search for video helper. So make sure you can install that. So then after you install, just do a restart, refresh the page. You'll see this video combine component. So we want to use video combine because we don't want to use the default WebP. So video combine is way better. So you can adjust everything, the frame rate, the file output type. So right now we set to MP4. So you can see this video is in pretty good quality. And also we also adjust the width and height to 768, which is higher, supposed to be higher and better, and the height is 512. So this is default. The length you can adjust it based on your frame rate, and then you can also adjust the steps to 20, 25, or 30, 50, depends on the quality you want. And that's it. You can also make sure that all these models are set correctly. So for UNet loader, it's the 2B09.1 Q4. And you can download Q8, then make sure that's Q8. Depends on which one you want to use. And also the clip, make sure it's T5XSL, which we downloaded. And then the VAE is LTX Video VAE. That's it. Just make sure everything's correct. So if you want to test all the different prompts, go to the LTX Video offshore repo. There's a lot of prompts you can use to test. And that's it. So just wait for maybe a minute or two. Click Q, and it should be ready to go. So this is actually super fast. So it's probably the fastest pipeline that you can run online. So I know Hunyuan video is popular, and there are other options, but LTX video is super fast. It only takes a minute or two, even you're running on Kaggle. So that being said, hopefully this is helpful. If you do like this video, please subscribe, like, or comment if you have any questions. Thanks for supporting the channel, and see you in the next one.